When this case was first investigated, it was determined to be an accidental discharge. It remains an accidental discharge today. Nothing has changed since that time except the regrettable and very all too brief grand jury presentation by the District Attorney's Office. There is nothing reckless or criminally negligent about the way Officer Liang performed his duties that night. This was not his first vertical patrol. It wasn't even his first vertical patrol that night. He's an experienced officer and he's done them before. It's well known that police officers for time immemorial have been conducting verticals and have had their weapons drawn when they felt it was appropriate. There was nothing inappropriate, rash, crazy, or reckless about having his weapon available to him when he went through that door.
I want to thank the DA office for getting us an indictment. This is the first step in justice. Now all we need is a conviction, which I have faith that we will get.
Has been on the front lines with us, marching with us, speaking the truth.
There's a lot that has to be looked into here. Had they called immediately for medical assistance, or as they refer to it as EMS or a bus, could Mr. Gurley still be with us today? These are things that were hard for the family to hear, hard for all of us to hear. A couple of things that we didn't know, that we heard obviously the time frame that it elapsed.
He is the chief of our Civil Rights Bureau. He has been charged in a 6-count indictment, and the charges are as follows: manslaughter in the 2nd degree, criminally negligent homicide, assault in the 2nd degree, reckless endangerment, and 2 counts of official misconduct. To conduct a fair, we don't believe that Officer Liang intended to kill Mr. Gurley, but he had his finger on the trigger and he fired the gun. He is the chief of our red trial zone, which means